Some of the reggae girls now poised for historic back-to-back World Cup qualification. By far, their biggest fan is the leaderless JFF. Oh yes, the president is hiding from the media. He's hiding from the public. The big National Premier League semi-final and grand finale. And the president was nowhere to be found. Over a month now, the federation has no general secretary. They are reeling from a spiraling debt, crippled by financial restrictions from FIFA, and more lately, the Jamaican government as well. Yes. The JFF is a disastrous nest of incompetence, bankrupt of ideas and leadership. So the reggae girls qualifying for the World Cup again would give them another straw to clutch at. In addition to the much needed money that the World Cup qualification would bring, the JFF would surely be jumping and smiling in front of the cameras to say, yes, we did it, we qualified again. Led by the leadership of Mr. Ricketts, who engineered the qualification of the girls. So while we are all back on the reggae girls wagon, without a doubt, the biggest fans of the girls is the JFF. In fact, the man driving the wagon is my Ricketts.